Makeup sponges. So I'm happy to have this. You're a kitten. Here, I'll let my cat play with the makeup sponges, so hopefully she won't come inside the softbox. All right, what is this? I Am Beautiful Length and Volume Mascara. I Am Beautiful. Is that the name of the brand? RealHer. Got it. There we go. Haven't seen RealHer in a while. I remember when they very first came out. I have a very old unboxing video of RealHer products on my YouTube channel. Maybe I'll link that so you guys can check it out. But it's so old. It's like 10 years old. All right. Length and volume mascara. Let's take a look at the brush, shall we? Let's see what this is. RealHer. Ooh. Love the look of that. Looks like it has kind of that gel cream texture.